Good morning, class. We are the team number 9. Um, we are going to talk about the industrial chemical process about oil industry. And let's go.
Hello, my name is Fernando Mares and I will talk to you about petroleum. As we know, it's a non-renewable resource. It's a mix of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are compounds formed solely of carbon chains linking to hydrogens and sulfur, hydrogen and nitrogen in a different amounts. Physically, it looks like a dark color with density less than 1 and with the characteristic odor. This is formed by remains of living animals, aquatic life, and vegetation. Begins that remain under of layer of the earth and rock that thanks to these layers increase the temperature and pressure, causing them to become liquid. History of petroleum. Even in the Old Testament, this substance is referred to as tar. Years later, it began to be used from the creation to torches. Beginning modern civilization, it was used for the main fuel for vehicles and the fuel that we know and use today. Thank you.
Talking about the composition, the hydrocarbons that can make up petroleum can be made up of one carbon like methane, CH4, and up to some more complex of 40 carbons. Its chemical composition is 40% normal paraffins, 30% paraffins, 10% resins and asphaltins, and 60% virgin paraffins and 30% aromatics. Now refineries. Petroleum is extracted from the deep of the sea by the perforations. When the raw oil is extracted, it is treated to separate the water, solid remains and natural gas. Then it is moved to refineries to be burned and become the fuel that is most used today. Almost everything goes to refineries. The remainder is unrefined gasoline. It's formed by 5 to 12 hydrocarbons and it just reaches between 40 and 60 octanes. Some scientists are trying to fix it by other methods like break the molecular chains and make them short or combine molecules to form large chains.
Good morning, class. My name is Humberto, and I'm going to talk about the octane. The octane is a measure of gas that indicates the capacity of doesn't make the boom and anti-knock. When the octane is higher, the combustion is safe and effective. In commercial gasoline are used different types of antinox, like tetraethyl and lead that increase 20 units of octane. From the layout of this compound is where the term later on or later gasoline comes from. Okay, in the world. So not all countries have the same amounts of oil reserves. In the Middle of East, there is more than 60%. And not all countries have the same amounts of oil reserves. And for example, in the Middle East, there is 60 of these, while North America has 5.5%, South America 8.9%, Africa 8.9%, Europe 4.2%, Asia and Oceania 4.2%. There is though that there are still large oil reserves that have not yet been exploited. So an estimation says that if we continue with this consumption of oil, in 40 years there is a shortage of the product, together with a great pollution produced by engines that burn this fuel and generate excess CO2 or carbon dioxide. Yes. This is our bibliography, and from here we obtain information for the realization of this project.